Welcome back. Now, Zoom does have a partner program. If you hit Control and then the End button, you'll come all the way down to the bottom. You'll notice here on the left-hand side that there is a link to partners. And what you can do is you can click this link. It says Refer a Friend. And when someone subscribes to Zoom as a new customer, you'll get points. Those points can then be redeemed as either a gift card or a check. You can also make a formal application to become a reseller or a referral partner. This will require that you fill out an application where you will click this button and you'll fill out the information so that you can be assessed by Zoom. So the simplest aspect of their partner program would be to click this button that says Invite Friends. And you'll notice here that to become part of the referral program, you'll need to be one of their paying customers. So in this case, we are going to go ahead and upgrade to our Pro account. What you'll notice here is that the referral program is only going to be available to you when you become a paying customer of Zoom. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.